Hey guys, this is Abacus.com with a little walkthrough on how to read the numbers on an abacus. What you see is a chart showing how to read the numbers of 0 through 9. New students learn how to read by looking at how the beads are arranged. This chart is an overview of the numbers, but they will be covered in better detail for you to better understand how to read the numbers. This is 1 because there is one bottom bead up and each bottom bead has a value of 1. This is 2 because there are two bottom beads up and each bottom bead has a value of 1. This is 3 because there are three bottom beads up and each bottom bead has a value of 1. This is 4 because there are four bottom beads up and each bottom bead has a value of 1. This is 5 because there is one upper bead down and the upper bead has a value of 5. This is 6 because there is one upper bead down and a bottom bead up. This is 7 because there is one upper bead down and two bottom beads up. This is 8 because there is one upper bead down and three bottom beads up. And finally, this is 9 because there is one upper bead down and four bottom beads up. Thank you for watching our video on reading the numbers on an abacus. See you next time.